Joe Little from Stone Concepts. I've been using Black Mamba since the Carson City workshop. Really like it. It's saved us a lot of time on routing holes and setting sinks. Great stuff.
So I'm going to ask you to follow me very carefully as we do this. It's very simple, but very, very effective. So the first thing we want to do is, using denatured alcohol or acetone, clean the underside of the countertop. Because you can't glue to dust, you can't glue to dirt, you can't glue to previously applied adhesive. You also want to clean the rim, the perimeter rim of the sink. This product works phenomenally well on stainless steel, porcelain undermount lavatory bowls, and composite bowls. Once you clean both the rim and the underside of your countertop, give your cleaning solution, your acetone or your denatured alcohol, a moment to flash. Make sure it evaporates so it's not wet. We're then going to take our bowl. I know I installed it upside down. We're going to apply a bead of adhesive around the perimeter. Now once this adhesive is applied to the sink, I have 10 minutes to compress it to the underside of the stone. 10 minutes before the adhesive will skin over. If you allow the adhesive to skin over and then try to compress, you will have a failure. I take my bowl, I compress it up against the underside of the sink, underside of the countertop, and I count to 10. That started 10 years ago. Am I at 10? What we've just changed in our standard operating procedures is the addition of a clamp, not to hold it in place, but to give it a little bit of additional squeeze to ensure that we get that compression up against the stone. There was a post 2 weeks ago on Facebook that we had an alleged failure that turned out to be nothing more than the installer did not get that compression against the stone. So if you give it a good squeeze with a clamp, you can then release it. And now I have 10 minutes I can wiggle it around just to get it where I want it. Rotate it, twist it. That sink is installed. The plumber, you want your plumber to come ideally 24 hours for full cure. It's 5 millimeters per 24 hours. So if you did a huge bead that was 10 millimeters in diameter, you need 48 hours to cure. If you do a 1/4 of an inch bead around the perimeter, you only need 24 hours before your plumber attacks that. Think about it. 2 guys can install 16 sinks in 20 minutes. I know we did it.
Willie Parnell, first encounters in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We started using Black Mamba about 3 months ago and absolutely love it.
I'm Alec Turner with Alaskan Granite. I'm the farthest north fabricator in the continental United States. My shop is 127 miles from the Arctic Circle. I just introduced this new product called Black Mamba. It works great.
My name is Brandon Singleton. I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and we love to use Black Mamba. It's less time. You don't have to worry about hanging no clips. It don't take them about 15 minutes, and you're good to go. And it's gonna hold for a lifetime.